G'day Lawnies, how's it going? Today we're going to be doing our week 4 application of the spring program, being charger and root builder. Let's get your lawn on. So this lawn is absolutely screaming back. This is only 10 days post renovation. It's just doing so well. Everywhere there's new growth. It's really come up very, very nicely indeed. So we've got a lot of new leaf here, new growth, and we really want that leaf to grow. So that's where Charger is going to come into the equation. Charger's got growth promoters to really charge the leaf growth, and this is really going to help the renovation repair. And anytime you need leaf growth, Charger is the go. Now Charger's also got iron, and that's great for colour. Look, and that's great. It's great to have good deep colour, we all like that. The real aim of the program at the moment is just to get that repair and make it happen as quick as possible. So Charger is fantastic. Root builder, that tank mixes with Charger, no worries at all, and that's really going to help the root system. And look, this lawn is going to go absolutely crazy with this application. I absolutely promise it. This is just nuts. It really is. It's so cool. So let's get it down. All right, so in this bad boy is a mix of Charger, 200 mil per the 100 square meters and 50 mil of root builder per the 100 square meters. Now, they're both low levels. Look, the lawn's all new. All that new leaf won't be used to the foliar feeding, so we've got to start off low. But don't worry about that. This is a supercharged mix, and like I said, it's going to go crazy. Let's do this. Such a nice day here today, I've got to say. It's a real pleasure doing this one. Temperatures are starting to warm up a bit, which is nice. God, so glorious out here. Now there's absolutely no need to water in after the application. It'll take a couple of hours to dry, but foliar fertilising is just the most efficient way to fertilise. You're not using excess water, and the nutrients go straight into the plant. Whew, it's all happening here. So this is looking so good. I tell you what, for 10 days, it's just an amazing amount of growth. That Charger and root builder is really going to get this supercharged, that's for sure. It's an appropriate name. Look, Lawnporn Charger and root builder are totally pet safe, as are all of our products. However, Charger's got iron in it. So number one, you don't want to be spraying it on concrete because it can cause staining. And number two, you want it to be a couple of hours before your dogs walk on a wet treatment. Although walking on a wet treatment's fine, it's totally safe, but you don't want those wet paws then walking on concrete, leaving little wet paw prints, which will stain and colour as well, so you don't want that. Give it at least 6 hours for the treatment to go through the whole system, and like I said, you don't have to water in. So you can get Lawnporn products pretty much everywhere these days. And also at our friends at Tool Room, and also on Amazon. So yeah, just do the searches and check that out for sure. Totally enjoying this season, and finally getting some decent weather, and I'm going to be really enjoying October for sure. I'll be doing more videos. Watch out for a video of the Sawmi, the SAWMI scarifier. Sawmi means sexy and we mow it, so look forward to getting to that one. It certainly is a popular product, and I'm pretty excited. My aerator's arriving today, so and I've just got a mower from Allitt as well to review. It's all happening. So Lawnies, if you're enjoying the content here at Lawnporn, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. It helps me grow.